Hi there, this is Noah with ERS. For Tip Tuesday this week, I want to tell you about a really helpful tool that I use for my YouTube videos. It's called TubeBuddy. That's TubeBuddy. So in case you're not aware, YouTube is owned by Google. Google is by far the world's most used search engine. So given the fact that Google has direct access to everything that's on YouTube because Google owns YouTube, YouTube is a super important part of your SEO. SEO is search engine optimization, in case you don't know. The basic idea is you want to show up near the top, at or near the top of the first page of Google search results, because if you're anywhere below that, for the most part, people aren't finding you on Google. So again, YouTube is super important for your SEO. One of the best things you can do for your SEO is make video content, put it on your YouTube channel, and put a bunch of description text and get a lot of views. Now, I want to be clear, this is a third-party app that I'm promoting here. I am not getting paid to promote this. I just think it's a really good app, so I decided to share this info with you. So with that said, let's take a look at TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy lets me do some really cool stuff. Like, for example, you can reuse the details from a previous video. And you can do things like explore tags and their relevance and strength, which is going to tell you things like how frequently are people searching using these keywords, how much competition is there, in other words, how many other videos with similar keywords, or tags I should say, are there out there. And you got handy little shortcuts to insert that tag into your video. And as we can see, there are a whole lot of other really helpful tips in here. Now there is a free version which you can install by going to their website. But honestly, you can't really do that much with the free version. It's really honestly worth signing up for the paid version. It's not too bad as far as the price goes, and it's well worth it because of how important YouTube is for your SEO, as we talked about earlier. So that's it for Tip Tuesday this week. Hope this was helpful. As always, please do feel free to subscribe to the ERS YouTube channel so you never miss out on any of these important tips and tricks. And you can do that by clicking on our logo in the lower right-hand corner of this video. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.